Hey, do you guys hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Focus now, you two.
But do you hear it?
The one is singing!
Oh, I've got to see this. Come on now, show us the way.
He's in the shower.
And I thought you really liked me. He's not actually that bad at singing, huh? Truly thought I had met the one. I take that back, he's a little pitchy.
Oh yes, he is.
You get that girl to say sorry?
Holy, why are you all here?
Giyu, sorry. We just heard you singing.
Get out!
That was something.
I'm gonna learn how to sing better than him.
Okay, Zenitsu, if you want to.
Yes, I do. So I can swoon over Nezuko.
What? No!
Kabuchiro is jealous.
Jealous of Nezuko?
No, what?
Subscribe to the channel, or I'll spray you with insect spray, like I did to the shorty.
Hello there.
Fuck!